Hey, what's up, everybody? Everybody know, if you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe right below. Please subscribe. Say subscribe. I got much more modification coming. This one I had to do because Tesla is very expensive. Everybody know Tesla is very expensive. I just bought this one over a year now, last year, 2018, and it's been good to me. But I'm cheap, so I buy the cheapest one. I end up getting a 75D. They stopped making those. Everything they make now is 100D. You see, I even get the cloth seat. I didn't get a leather seat. I just wanted to get the car, so I just get the car. But I had other plans for the interior anyhow. Like I said, I'm gonna do a lot of modification coming. I want to do the red seats. I'm gonna do that, and I got other things that I want to talk about. When I put it in, I'm gonna make a video. So please like, share, and subscribe. Especially subscribe, so you can get updated when I'm doing the more modification. Now this modification, I did Tesla. Love Tesla. No complaint or anything like that. It's not really luxury. You're paying all this money for how to say it? You're paying all this money for the technology. That's what it is, the technology and so on. But I ended up putting in starlights in mine. See that? I don't know if you can quite see it. Yeah, you can see it. See that? I did that. I'm gonna show you a video how it looked. I'm gonna, get more subscribers on like and so on. Join the channel. I'm gonna put the installation right here. I think it's right here, right here. One of them. I'm gonna put it up, show you the installation. Take me like 2 days. My daughter helped me, thank God. Big up to Jasmine. And she helped me put it in by myself. So yeah, I'm gonna put a video right here or here to show you how I did it. And yeah, let me get into the video and show you the starlight. I love it, man. I put in starlights. I'm gonna show you right now. That's on my 360 camera. That's what that's there for. But the remote, you hit it on. Now I put in the starlights. They look real good, guys. But at night, it look even better. I did this myself. Take me like 2 days. One day to take the roof down and install it. Then the next day put it up. I'll probably put the video up in the link right here now to the right for the installation video. But this right now is just showing you what I did. It's pretty decent. I love it. I love it. So yeah, like I told you, I'm cheap, and I'm getting the cloth seat. I need to get a leather seat because these cars are very expensive for no reason, like I say. But anyhow, besides that, let me show you what I did. When you want to if I open the door, I even put the stars up here. See it up there? So when you're in there, it's like a good look you get. Let's stay in the car and show you what I'm talking about. So if I just come here, close the door. Look. So on the Falcon door, I put the lights up there also. At night, this really look good. I don't like doing the recording at night because it's really dark in the car. You can't see it, but it just make the place nice. With this remote though, we got different colors and stuff. I just like the white though, but they got the red. We'll put on the red. See? So I did it all the way down to the back. So on. I also got like a green, blue, the white, like an orange color like. See, so you get a point. Crazy different colors. They got like different ones. You got like, you have a jump where you just keep changing colors on its own. You also have a next jump. Then they got a different fade. We go in and out. And we got next fade now. Then they got a flash where you just flash 3 times and change the color, I believe. Yeah, every 3 times change the color. Then they got the breed. But the breed should have been on one color. It do multiple colors. Because if I try it on white and hit the breed, it just automatically change. But my favorite one I like is to put it on white. Is the music option. So if you have music playing, you hit that. I'm gonna show you examples. So if the beat whoever hitting, I like that. So sometimes when I'm jamming, I just have that on, you know, have it playing and so on. I like that. So there you have it, man. But yeah, give my car a real nice look now. So when people come in, it's like, oh, what? Yeah. But yeah, man, there you have it. Quick review to show y'all. I mean, like I said, this take like 2 days for me. I did it by myself. But oh, credit to my daughter because she helped me. I'm gonna link that video, the installation video also, so you can probably look at that and you'll see what I'm talking about. Me and my daughter did it. She helped me install it. I drilled, she glue, I drilled, she glue. So yeah, big shout out to my daughter for that. Big shout out to Jazzy for helping me, making it look so wonderful. I'll put up my next video and show y'all what I'm talking about though. But yeah, like I said, the installation video I'm gonna put to the side, the link right here, probably to the right or the left, however they do it. You know, but if you like it, you can like, share, comment below what you think about it. You know, how it look. I mean, to me it look amazing. I love it though. And you know, it's smooth. It's not like you get cut. So it's real nice. Give you that real luxury type look, even though, like I said, Tesla's not that luxury. But in this now at night, especially at night when I'm driving, like, people's eyes already done turn when you open your door. So now it's like when the light part is even more. But yeah, there you have it, man. Like I said, hope you can like, share, and subscribe. Check out my channel if you're new to it. Really appreciate it. So there you have it, okay? Stay tuned for more video, for more modification. Matter of fact, the next modification should be my door panels, and I want to get rid of these seats and do probably red interior. Do some red interior. So yeah, I got more modification coming. And like I said, man, thanks for watching. Hope you can like, share, and subscribe below. Comment. Alright? So until next time, y'all. Peace.